Looking for a versatile tool for your DIY projects? Meet Handheld Rotary tool. Reason number 1. 69 accessories in one kit for carving, sanding and more. Reason number 2. 5 adjustable speeds for precision, even perfect for beginners. Reason number 3. Compact, lightweight design feels just like holding a pen. Bonus feature. LED light eliminates shadows for detailed, precise crafting. USB rechargeable battery lasts up to 200 minutes. No interruptions, no hassle. Perfect for resin crafts, engraving, and creating memorable handmade gifts. Includes easy-to-follow instructions and video tutorials for a smooth start. Great for bonding with kids or surprising loved ones with DIY gifts. Ready to upgrade your crafting game? Click now to grab yours today. Don't wait. Unleash your creativity with the Handheld Rotary tool. Find the product link in the description.